So when there is a charge, there is an electric field around it. If it is a charge, suppose this is a charge, then an electric field is generated by electric field is produced around it. Acharipati kon rahila electric field is there, and this electric field extends up to infinite. Kahinki ame dekhile E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. Arthat E is inversely proportional to r square. That means when r tends to infinite, electric field tends to 0. Arthat electric field is 0 at a distance r is equal to केते infinite. तेणु गोटे चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑफ द एक्सटेंड केते पर्यंत रहिला इनफाइनाइट पर्यंत रहिला. विदिन दिस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड द प्रत्येक पॉइंट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट इज एसोसिएटेड बाय टू टर्म्स. कहिथिले जतल फील्ड पढिथिले तले प्रत्येक पॉइंट इन द फील्ड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बाय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ईच पॉइंट इज एसोसिएटेड बाय टू टर्म्स, but two, one is field intensity, and another is field potential. Another thila kon electric potential. Clear? Another is electric potential. hala tale gote hala electric field intensity, out hala tamar electric potential. तो आम आगर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी पढ़ी सार से विच इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, एंड आज आम पढ़ा इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल विच इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी. अर्थात इन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अलरेडी देयर इज ए पोटेंशियल, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल विच इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी. बर्तमान देखा से इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल कौन, व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट ए पॉइंट इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अलरेडी. तो आम द जनरल आइडिया नवा. Suppose this is a U-tube, and it has two limbs. So there is a water in this. So in the narrow side, the level of water is more than that of the in the wider side. So if there is a lock is there. So if we open the lock, then the water flows from higher level to lower level till the water comes to rest, but come to the same level in both the limbs. तो उभय लिम्ब रे वाटर समान हवा पर्यंत कौन हम एठू वाटर कौन कर एठू को आसब. लाइक दैट द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिटरमिन्स जमती एठी लेवल वाटर डिटरमिन्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अ फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. अर्थात वाटर ऑलवेज फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर लेवल टू lower level. Similarly, the charge flows from one higher potential to lower potential. So if there is a potential difference between the 2 points in the electric field, then charge flows from one point to another point. So the electric potential is nothing but it determines the direction of the flow of charge. Electric potential it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity that determines the direction of the flow of charge. The direction of the flow of charge. The direction of the flow of charge. अर्थात द चार्ज कौटू कड़े की फ्लो हम तो सहीटा आम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को जानी पारिबा. केमती देख, इट इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी दैट डिटरमाइन्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज. आम जाने द चार्जेस आर ऑफ टू डिफरेंट काइंड्स. वन इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड अनदर इज नेगेटिव चार्ज. ताले कौटू कड़े की फ्लो हम है. Suppose if we consider this is the 2 points, these are the 2 points. So where the charge flows from? So suppose manekar this is the positive potential and this is your negative potential. What do you mean by positive potential and negative potential? Negative potential means higher concentration of a high concentration high concentration of electrons अर्थात this is the place of gathering of electrons এটা হয়ে গেল low concentration of electrons ହେଲା low concentration of electrons साधारणतः आम जानी कौन रे in a battery suppose this is a battery so one is positive this is the negative how why it is called positive end why it is called negative end now because there is the electrolytes inside it and there is an electrode है ना तो कौन हुए एठी ना ड्यू टू द केमिकल रिएक्शन है नी तो आ भितर कौन हुए केमिकल रिएक्शन जुगो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर है नी डिपोजिटेड इन दिस एंड তাহলে এপটে ইলেকট্রনস রইলা এপটে ইলেকট্রনস এপটু গলা তাহলে দিস সাইড ইজ পজিটিভ দিস সাইড এন্ড ইজ বিকামস নেগেটিভ this is the high concentration of electrons and this side is the low concentration of electrons it is due to the chemical reaction of electrolytes in the electrolytes like that suppose this is the high concentration this is the low concentration তাহলে এবে কোন হবো তাহলে আমার দুই প্রকার চার্জ আছে गोटे है पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड वन इज द नेगेटिव चार्ज ताले ठीक कौन हो देखो ताले इफ वी कनेक्ट देम ताले जदि हम एको कनेक्ट करिबा ताले कौन हो द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लोज फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड हैला कैन ऑलवेज द फ्लोज वुड बी हाई कंसंट्रेशन टू लो कंसंट्रेशन अर्थात द फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लोज फ्रॉम लोअर कंसंट्रेशन टू हायर कंसंट्रेशन कारण दिस साइड इज electrons is more this side is the electrons is less so if we connect them the electrons will flow from this side to this side that means the negative charge flows from lower potential to the higher potential similarly just in opposite sense positive charge flows from जेहेतु एपटे low concentration of negative this side is high concentration of positive and this side is high concentration of negative this side is low concentration is positive तेनो electrons are flows from this side to this side and positive charge flows from this side to this side clear so it is a scalar quantity that determines the direction of the flow of charge तेनो हम एटी कोन जानिले the electrons flows from lower potential to higher potential यदि हम इलेक्ट्रॉन कथा देखिबा electrons flow from higher flow from negative to positive electrons flows from negative to positive same thing positive charge negative electrons के negative charge some the positive charge बाक लिख परिवा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बाप नेगेटिव चार्ज लिख पारो नेगेटिव चार्ज flow from negative to positive positive charge flows from positive to negative clear hala the negative charge flows from negative to positive and positive charge flows from positive to negative hala the negative charge कोठी जीवो higher concentration higher negative एवं to positive एवं positive charge flows from positive to negative clear ताले if we connect suppose we consider this is a positive charge body हला it is a कारण आमे गोटे बॉडी को आइसोलेटेड पॉजिटिव बा नेगेटिव चार्ज करि परिबा बाय द रिमूवल ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ताले suppose this is a negative charge yes हला ताले if we connect this to the ground ताले कोन होबो ताले if we connect this ground ताले এটা negative charge and the electrons will flow from this जेहेतु there is a negative charge means कोन loss of electron so electrons flows from earth to the positive charge ठीक से जदि if we connect a negative charge negative charge body to the ground. जदि आम नेगेटिव चार्ज बॉडी को ग्राउंड सहित कनेक्शन करवा तो देयर इज एक्सेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लोज टू द ग्राउंड है। So if the electrons flows from ground to the body, then the body is positive charge. If the electron flows from body to the earth, then this is the negative charge. Clear? So eठु आमे जानि परिबा which one is the positive and negative charge, that is direction of the flow of charge. Next one देखिबा. But mathematically what do you mean by the electric potential? तो mathematically आमे electric potential केमति बात करबा? Analytically or mathematically, the electric potential electric potential at a point in an electric field, electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point, or that point to infinite, जा लिख पा रहा हूँ, from infinite to that point, or that point to infinite. So it is in case of positive charge, this is in case of negative charge. Or from infinite to that point against electric force, electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point, or that point to infinite, against the electric force without any acceleration. Without acceleration. देखो, suppose this is a point charge. Let it, this is a point charge. Let it plus q. This is a point charge. If there is a charge, there is an electric field around it, and this electric field extends up to infinite because A is inversely proportional to r square. Within the electric field, suppose this is a point P. Let it be the point of observation. So electric field intensity at a point in an electric field means that is there is a source charge is there, is the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point, or that point to infinite. Suppose this source charge is positive, so I call this is the infinite place. Suppose this is your infinite place. So I call gote unit positive charge, that is the test charge plus test charge how much work is done? Let it be W. If W be the amount of work done to bring a test charge from infinite to this point, then by definition electric field potential at this point gone. Now work done for unit positive charge is called the potential. Suppose W be the work done to bring a test charge to bring a test charge from infinite to p, from infinite to p, from infinite to p. If W be the work done to bring a test charge के Q naught, test charge Q naught from infinite to p, against the force. Against the force means there is a force. If it is a source charge, the force is away. हमें कौन कर चार्ज को सेट करना है from infinite to p against the force, against the force. तल वर्क डन कितने गल तल पोटेंशियल at p, तले पोटेंशियल at point p v is equal to तले w वर्क डन हुए कहाँ को q नॉट आने पाई तले पर यूनिट चार्ज को w by q नॉट है ना तले v is equal to कितने गला w by q नॉट. The amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point against the electrostatic force. Suppose this is a negative charge. Suppose source charge is negative. तले कौन होगा तले we bring a test charge from this to infinite. Same also. Either it bring from positive to this point or this point to this infinite, infinite to this point in case of a positive charge, in case of a negative charge this point to this infinite. Always the work is done against the force. तले force पड़े. This is the force. We do some work here. तले ठीक है attraction. We do the force opposite direction. तले potential at point P कितने गला ना W by Q naught. Clear? The electric potential at a point mathematically we defined as the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that point or that point to infinite against the electrostatic force without any acceleration. So this is your potential. So how much work is done? So I will देखिए So W is equal to कितने गला ना that is equal to V into Q naught. Clear? So W is equal to V into Q naught. So this is the potential at a point due to a point charge. Clear? The next one देखिए the potential difference. जैसे potential difference कथा देखिए what is the potential difference? The potential difference अला potential difference same thing. The potential difference, the difference means at 2 point. The potential difference, the potential difference between 2 points. गोटे point between 2 points, between 2 points in an electric field, in an electric field. The potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done, amount of work done to move a positive charge, but to bring a positive charge, to bring a positive charge, to bring a unit positive charge from one point to another point. I mean जो दीटा point नौचे 2 points, चले from one point to another point, from one point to another point to another point. Against the electric force without any acceleration. So work is done against the electric force, against the electric force without acceleration. Without clear. The potential difference between between 2 points in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done. This is the related to the 2 points. Amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from one point to another point against the electric force without acceleration. Clear? सेठी आम बाहर करते आट ए पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ये आम बाहर कले दुईटा पॉइंट है. सपोज we consider the 2 points A and B. Now this is a source charge, let it be Q naught. Q. This is the source charge, let it be plus Q, which creates the field. Within the field, let these are the 2 points A and B. Clear? A and B are the 2 points. So let me कौन करिए? The unit charge from this to this, from one point to another point against the force. Karan, if it is a positive charge, there is a force. This is the force. This is the force, direction of force. Against the electric force, we bring the charge from A to B. So how much work is done? Let it be W. এটা লাগে তাই W. তাহলে work done potential difference কত হয়ে গেল? তাহলে potential difference, suppose we can write মানে করে WA to B, WA to B, হলা, be the work done to bring a test charge plus Q, হলা, from A to B, from A to B. Suppose WAB be the work done to bring a test charge plus Q naught from A to B. Then the potential difference from A to B. The potential difference, then potential difference, then the potential difference between A and B, है ताले कौन है जो एठी ताले V A B, that is equal to the work done from A to B, work done from A to B divided by Q naught, है ताले this is your potential difference. So it is from infinite to that point, it is one point to another point. এবং always the work is done against the force. যদি আমি এটা নেগেটিভ নেবা তাহলে this side to this side, পজিটিভ নিলে this side to this side. Clear? Then next देखिए units and dimension. Units তাহলে আমি কোন পাইলে তো V is equal to W by Q naught, है ना. Then how can you write out the units? The units and dimension of क्या potential and potential difference, है ना. Potential out है potential difference. We can write potential and potential difference, है ना. The units है V is equal to W by Q. तले in SI तले W कितने गला? W is measured in joule. Charge is measured in coulomb. Then V is measured in V ra unit है volt, है ना. तल 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. Clear? So you can define 1 volt. What do you mean by 1 volt? If I like your definition of 1 volt, how can you write 1 volt? Yes. The 1 volt, that means potential. Already, the potential at a point in an electric field is said to be 1 volt. If 1 joule of work is done to bring a charge 1 coulomb from infinite to that point against the force without acceleration. So the potential we write the potential means electric potential. The potential at a point is said to be 1 volt, is said to be 1 volt if the potential at a point is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done, if 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge, to bring 1 coulomb of charge from infinite to that point, against the electric force, against the electric force, ହେଲା। So the potential at a point is said to be 1 volt. Yes. If 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from infinite to that point against the electric force, তাহলে সেତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିବା 1 volt ବୋଲି କହିବା। ଯଦି ଆମେ potential difference କଥା ଲେଖିବା ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବା? ଯଦି ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା ଏଟା ହେଲା in terms of potential difference ଅନୁସାରେ ଲେଖିଲେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବା? Same thing ହେଲା। in terms of potential difference ଯଦି ଲେଖିବା 1 volt ହେଲା। the potential at a point न ଲେଖି ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା କ'ଣ? the potential difference between 2 points, the potential difference between 2 points in an electric field, 2 points in an electric field, ହେଲା। the potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is said to be 1 volt, is said to be 1 volt, is said to be 1 volt, ହେଲା। the if 1 joule of work is done, if 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge, to bring 1 coulomb of charge from infinite to that point, against electric force, clear? তাহলে এটি দিলা কোন potential at a point, এটি আমি লিখলে potential difference between 2 points, ହେଲା। in an electric field it is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done to bring, the is amount of work done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from, এটা বলেছি 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point, from one point to another against electric force, এটা হলো from infinite to that point, এটা হলো from one point to another, clear? So this is the 1 volt in terms of potential, এবং this is the 1 volt in terms of potential difference, clear? Next আছে কিবা CGS. In CGS, তাহলে what is the units of volt? তাহলে in CGS we use the 2 units. One is ESU, electrostatic unit, that is W like arc এবং চার্জ Q naught कहता है start coulomb, then the potential V stat volt, তাহলে 1 stat volt V is equal to W by Q, তাহলে 1 arc by 1 stat coulomb, 1 arc by 1 stat coulomb, clear? So 1 stat volt is equal to 1 arc by 1 stat coulomb. Similarly, আমি দেখিবা EMU, W is equal to say arc CGS system. This is a mechanical term, and this is your AB coulomb. Then the volt, the V, the potential कहते हैं up volt. So we can write 1 up volt is equal to 1 arc divided by 1 up coulomb. 1 up coulomb, है 1 arc by 1 up coulomb. Yeah. This is your CGS system. है So now find the relation between SI and CGS. तो प्रथम देखिए relation between volt and stat volt. Relation between volt and stat volt. Relation between volt and stat volt. So what is the relation between volt and stat volt? 1 volt is equal to कहते थे 1 joule by 1 coulomb. 1 volt है 1 joule by 1 coulomb. Then 1 joule can be converted into arc 10 to the power 7 arc by 1 coulomb. 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 stat coulomb. Clear? So this can be written as 7 is cancelled out 2. So 1 by 300 arcs by stat coulomb. So this can be written as 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 stat volt. 1 volt is equal to कहते हैं 1 by 300 stat volt. So that implies 300 volt अर्थात 1 stat volt is equal to 300 volt. 1 stat volt is equal to 300 volt. So in this case, CGS system is smaller than the SI unit. है तो लेटर कौन जान ले CGS system वाला stat volt is smaller than volt. Clear? So 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 stat volt, but 1 stat volt is equal to 300 volt. Then we can write the relation between volt and F volt. Clear? Volt and up volt. Write down. The relation between volt and AB volt. Up volt. So 1 volt is equal to S. 1 joule by 1 joule by 1 S. AB coulomb. 1 AB coulomb. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 arc. But what is your AB coulomb? 1 AB coulomb is equal to 1 by 10. Sorry, बोल इटाला 1 coulomb है ना 1 coulomb. ताले 1 by 10 AB coulomb. 1 by 10 AB coulomb. है ना तो this is equal to कितना गला? Yes. 1 by 10 गला 10 to the power 8 और पर आप coulomb that is equal to up volt. है ना তাহলে 1 volt is equal to 10 to the power 8 upward. Clear? তাহলে আমি কোন পাইলে 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 stat volt, but 1 volt is equal to 10 to the power 8 volt. Clear? তাহলে আমি রিলেশন পাইলে 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 stat volt and 1 volt is equal to 10 to the power 8 volt. So if I write them, then 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 stat volt is equal to, this is equal to 10 to the power 8 AB volt. Clear? So this can be written as, I will like you are 300, so 1 stat volt is equal to 300 volt is equal to, yes, it is 300 one 300 into 10 to the power 8 volt. Clear? So stat volt is the largest unit. Stat volt is greater than volt is greater than AB volt. Clear? So the largest unit is a stat volt. Clear? Then we write the dimensional formula of kahara the volt. We can write the dimensional formula. So how can I write the dimensional formula of a volt? Dimension. Dimensions. Either it is potential or potential difference, whatever may be. So V is equal to, we can write V is equal to W by Q naught. Yes. The dimensional formula for V is equal to dimensional formula for W by Q naught. So this can be written as the dimensional formula for W by dimensional formula of Q naught. Yes. So what is the dimensional formula for W? So W is nothing but that is the work, force into displacement, that can be written as M1 L1 L2 T minus 2. You know, force into displacement, that is called work done. Force like a, we can write W is equal to force into displacement, force M1 L1 T minus 2 mass into acceleration into displacement. So we can write M1 L2 T minus 2. Yes, M1 L2 T minus 2 divided by Q. Q gone, now that is equal to AT, current into time. Now manipulate this. So M1, then L2, T minus 1, sorry, T1 minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, then A minus 1. Clear? This is the dimensional formula of the potential. M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. We can write the dimensions 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1. Dimension means the power raised to the units for fundamental quantities. 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1 in mass, length, time, and last one is the current. And current. Mass, length, time, and current. So this is your dimensional formula of a potential and also the potential gradient, difference. Potential difference, the difference of the potential between the two places, the dimension of a potential jahaba, potential difference say he haba. Clear? So this is all about your the basic idea about the electric potential. Clear? Hello? So this is the basic idea of electric potential. So electric potential पहले में कौन बुझले? It is the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to that place against the electric force without any acceleration. Then potential difference के लिए में कौन बुझले? It is the difference of the potential between the two points in an electric field. है ना नहीं? against the electric force and without any acceleration. जदि आम गोटे पॉइंट चार्ज को गोटे पॉइंट आनिबा गोटे पॉइंट को इनफाइनाइट आम आनिबा सब मन कर रखियो इफ द सोर्स चार्ज इज पॉजिटिव जदि सोर्स चार्ज इज पॉजिटिव माइंड इट source charge is positive then the test charge is moved from this to infinite karan sorry the test charge is moved from infinite to this point karan force is there always the work is done against the force if the source charge is positive then the test charge is moved from this point to this point this is the point the test charge is moved from this point to this point. If the source charge is negative, suppose the source charge is negative source charge, then at the point, then what is the direction of the force? Yes, the direction. If we put here test charge, that is the attraction. So आमको कौन करिया पड़िबा? So we do the work, we to move the charge against the electrostatic force. So जेत a positive charge, this is the direction of the force. So we do the work to move the charge from this point to this point. Hello? So if this is the for source charge is positive, then the test charge from being from infinite to that point. If the source charge is negative, the test charge is brought from that point P to infinite. Clear? Then the potential difference. The potential difference is one point to another point. Hello? Samti ame di bahar kariba. For the source charge, the potential difference from 2 points. Yes. Talking bar kariba against the electrostatic force. Always the electrostatic force eta kon thila positive charge achi mane test charge is repulsive. This tala ame kon kariba the test charge is brought from this point to this point. If it is negative source charge, suppose this is the negative source charge. Yes. Well, while we find the potential difference, we move the test charge from this to this. Karan, the force of attraction here, we do the work against. Always remember that while we find the potential or potential difference, we do the work always against the electrostatic force. Clear? Tale for negative charge, this test charge move from this point to this point. For positive charge, the potential to find the potential, the charge move from this point to this point. Clear? So this is the basic idea of Gahara, that is the potential. The next class we will find out the mathematically what is the potential at a point, on which factors the potential at a point depends on, or potential difference depends on. Hala? The next class हम देखिबा the numerically what is the potential. It is a basic idea regarding the potential at a point or the potential difference between the 2 points. Next class रे हमें बाहर करिबा what is the potential at a point or the potential difference between the 2 points mathematically, and on which factors the potential and potential difference in the electric field depends on. Clear?